Okay, we continue now with more pronouns. Another shape now. It will be the subject. Okay, let me write one verb. For example, شربت. شربت. I need more space. Okay, keep it like this. And just I color this black. Okay. This part in black is the verb, and this one is the subject. So this one mean, this whole word mean, I drank. I drank. Okay. The verb is here, the first part, and this part is indicating I. أنا. Okay. We first put the verb, we say it in Arabic first, then we say the subject. So شربت, I drank, and then we say شربنا, we drank. So this part, I'll repeat again. The black one. We put it here again to be going for نحن. And then we attach instead of to, now. So now this pronoun in red, to or na, sorry, it means the subject. So this one mean I drank, and this one we drank. Let's make some examples. شرب شربت الماء. I drank water. شربت الماء. شربت الماء. We drank water. شربنا. الماء. So this is past tense verb. Okay. How to say it in Arabic? You have to attach it to the subject or attach the subject to it. The first part is the verb. The second part is the pronoun, and it's the subject. This one too. And here it's not. And so on with some differences. Let's see what differences will happen. So this is to, and this is Nahir, going for Ana and Nahm. Now we go to the second person. We'll have, of course, some changes. أنت. شا. ريب. تا. So here it is time, it's ta again, but this time with fatha. You see the difference between this and the first one? For anta, okay, it's what? Same thing like this until here. But here, when I write ta, I make this sign. This one we call dhamma, this one we call fatha. The sounds, dhamma mean the sound u. So sharib tu, sharib tu. After t, first I have t, which is the sound this letter. Then I have u, which is this sign. And here, the letter ta will give me the sound too. And this one will give me the sound a, ta. So tu, ta. Sharibtu, sharibta. Okay. And so on, like small differences. أنت شربت. If I'm talking to one man or one boy, one male, then if I'm talking to one female, شربتي. You drank. Now two people. شربتما. شربتما. شربتو. شربتن. Okay. Let's have some examples. Now again, I'll talk to one man and I will ask him, did you drink something? And then I address one lady or girl or female. Did you drink something? How to make did you? We started by هل, which is a small piece. So some examples. Sorry. Okay, I'll make now 3 sentences. Apply on the first 3 cases. So هل شربت? Did you drink? Let's say drink milk. الحليب يا سعيد. Okay. سعيد, did you drink milk? هل شربتي الحليب يا ليلى? ليلى, did you drink milk? Now I'll talk to both of them. So I use شربتما because they are 2 people. هل شربتما الحليب يا سعيد وليلى? سعيد and Layla, did you drink milk? Okay, these are some applications. And here. Now, I was talking about differences. Here with هو, we don't add anything. Not to, not now, not ta. So we have only the verb, like if you go back to the colors, the verb in black. Okay. Only this. شاري, but we change this sukun to fatha. شريبة. Here it is, you have this circle, right? Now we have to remove the circle and put this. So we make it sha, ri, ba. But the letters themselves, they will be the same. The ones in black. So we don't have anything in red to add. Where? With huwa. Why? It's the simplest form. Okay. The simplest form. So the cornerstone for the verbs. I will talk more details about these. Just giving you an idea about the whole thing. So no attached pronoun will be coming to the verb after huwa. Or in the verb when I'm talking about someone. So shariba, shariba. Okay, nothing to add. Only with this one. Now we have here sharibat, but this is tricky. Let's color it with something different. This is a small piece. Okay, it's not a pronoun. What's the difference? The pronoun will indicate a person. Let's go up. Here, for example, look at this one. Sharibtunna. We have 2 parts. The first part is the verb. The second part is the noun. Tunna is what? It's a pronoun. what we call in Arabic ضمير. Okay. In the category of the word, is it اسم or فعل or حرف? It's اسم. It's indicating an entirety. This tunna mean a plural of women. So the whole verb, what's the meaning of this as a whole? Sorry, these two together. It means you, the group of women, drank water or milk or whatever. So we have here first you, the group of women. It's here in red, tunna. And then we have the verb drank. Of course, in English. In Arabic, we switch. You start with the verb, drank you. Then you tell the subject. The subject. Okay. So this one is indicating people and same everywhere. But below, when I say sharibat, this T is not indicating the girl. It's only mark for feminism. It will tell me that after I say this, the subject will be a girl. Okay, so this T by itself is not indicating an entirety. It's not indicating she. Okay, the verb will come, the subject will come later by itself. We don't get it, right? Okay, just keep it there. I talk more about it later. Just I'll color it different. Remember, this one is a small piece, حرف. Okay, it's not a pronoun, ضمير. Okay, just remember that. Now, yeah, actually here also something also new. For the first time, now I have to differentiate between they both. I'm talking about two people or two things, but now I have to differentiate between masculine and feminine. هما and هما. So here, هما شربا. And here, شربا تا. This T is the same one, that one. I'll color it in blue. And the pronoun is only ألف. So here I'm telling about two men or two boys or two male things, like maybe two animals. If you are naming two animals and they are masculine. And here same thing but feminine. Two females, humans or like maybe also animals. Okay. How I say the verb? I say shariba. The first part is the verb. This part is the pronoun. And here I have the verb, then a small piece telling me that هما شربتا. Yeah. Telling me that I'm talking about females. And then I have the pronoun here in A. Okay. شربا and شربتا. Then I have هم شربوا. This one is just for writing. Also talk about it later. I have also another color. So the last letter I don't pronounce. The pronoun is here, this one. هم شربوا. They drank. And هن شربنا. Okay. The pronoun is here. Let's go back, make some revision to relate things together. So This is past tense verb. How to make it in Arabic? I have the first part, which is the letters of the verb, and then I have something I have to attach it to. It will be noun, ism. It will be a pronoun. We call it ضمير. Okay. And it will be here in this scenario the subject. So, drank, I drank. Drank, we drank. And so on. That's number one. Number two, the verb itself, the letters will be there everywhere, but the sound at the end could be changed sometime. This one, as we see, the vast majority, it's this circle, sukun. Sukun, we call it. This one we call it sukun. Sukun. Okay. Everywhere you see there's sukun here and here, most of them. But sometimes it might change. Like we say shariba, we change it to fatha. Anyhow, the letters themselves, they are the same. You see these three letters? This one, they are everywhere. But the last sound could be changed. Okay. Here we have everywhere on the last letter sukun, 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 right? Here, let's say in the second person, we don't have problems. There is the same style and then the pronoun attached with no problem. But the problems will have in here. First of all, here I don't have anything. Here I have this one, but it's a small piece, not a pronoun. Okay. Just mark for feminism. I'll talk later what's the meaning of this more. Okay, and here we changed it, yeah, and we changed sukun now to fatha. You see, it's not circle above here. Before it was circle, right? Now it's this sign. And here now a new sign even. Boo. So what's above the letter could be changed. Okay. Okay, I'll stop here now. For the next video, I'll make some more applications. Okay, we can like extract some pronouns from some context and tell which column we are talking about.